Hello, my name is Brian Reese, and I'm a technical trainer with the Economic Opportunity Board of Clark County. Today we're going to talk to you about Microsoft Office Word. We're going to talk about margins, orientation, page size, and columns. Let's take a look. Now here we just have some erroneous information just added to the page, just so you can see the changes and so we can use it to our heart's content to show you this training program. Now today we're going to talk about, first of all, we're going to talk about page size. Now right now it's in the letter format. This is 8.5 by 11, as you can see by the lettering down on the bottom. Now you can also create postcard size and other 4 by 6 for pictures and that kind of thing, 5 by 7. You can actually put all of that in here. It's usually a list here, but if you don't see what you're looking for, you can go down to more page sizes. Now, the more page sizes means that you can go ahead and make whatever changes you need to make here. If you wanted it to be legal size, which would be 8.5 by 14, you just simply change this to 14. And click OK. Now, depending on your computer, your printer, and what your print area is, you can have this fix it or you can ignore it, because what will happen is that it's telling you that down on the bottom of the page or on the side of the page is not a printable area. So we'll go ahead and click fix, and it fixes it for us so we don't have to worry about that when we print it out. Go ahead down here and look. Now you see there's a lot more room down at the bottom of these pages. Notice that the pages were full at the beginning of this, but now they have another few inches down on the bottom to put more information in, additional information in. Now, we go back to page size, and we can click letter, and it'll send every page back to its normal size. All right, putting all the information back in. As you see, the size is reduced here. Now, next thing we want to look at is margins. Now, we can set margins. It has an original margin, which is 1 inch. That's the normal one. 1 inch on all sides. That would be the normal one. If you want to make changes, you could do that depending on what you're going for. Have it wide, you can have the narrow, you can have the normal, and then you can even customize some sizes in here. Okay, just simply by pressing the top margin, left margin, right, and the bottom. Let's go ahead and clear out of there. Now, page orientation. Page orientation has two different orientations. Portrait, which is the way it is right now, as you can see, straight up and down. And then you have landscape. If you click landscape, it turns it sideways. And you can do that for one page, or you can do it for the whole document. Let's go ahead and undo that. All right. Now, we're going to talk to you about columns. Let's go ahead and increase the size so we can see this a little better. All right, now we're going to do 2 columns. Now, you say you have a list of things going straight down the page here, and there's a lot of clear space over here, okay, to the right. So what you want to do is you want to kind of put this information in this area. Okay, the way you do that is by highlighting it, the entire thing, just this group here. Go up to columns, and you can click 2 columns. And it reduces the size of it, but you still have all of the information that you had posted with the brackets and anything else that you put in that particular area. Now, if you wanted to change the size of a column, let's go ahead and bring that information back up. What you can do is this. I'm going to change the column size. The column. Maybe you have a lot of information here, but you want to keep it all on the same page. So what you can do is just go ahead where it says 2 columns right here as our example. Go ahead and highlight just that section. And we can do the same thing we did with the bullet pointed section at the top. We can go up here to 2 columns, or we can even change it to 3. Depending on what kind of information you want to put in here, and depending on what kind of structure you want to set up. All right, that's all we have for today. We have your page size, your orientation, your columns, and your margins. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions, please feel free to text us or send us information. Information will be provided for you at the end of this training. Thank you very much, and have a great day. It's Brian Reese, technical trainer with the Microsoft Office Word training for margins, page orientation. Thank you very much and have a great day.